Hi, my name's Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties, and I want to show you this house. 4121 Dauntless. And we're right above Schooner, and that gives you this opportunity for a big view. So nice, gorgeous street here, and then look at the ocean, and then here's our house. All right. Wow, this is kind of cool. Here's our listing agent, Audrey. And nice front room. I love the oak and the big windows. Super cool. And it gives you an opportunity for the ocean view. It's all right. That is all right. Coming around this way, on into our kitchen area. This is nice. So you got the red cabinetry. Little half bath back here. And to the access to the garage. Ooh, drum set. Looks like fun. Laundry right off the kitchen. The sky's super nice. Puts a lot of light into this area. And then you have a yard, all right. And then it has a pool. Put it on the side yard. Wow, that's great though. Look at it, straight out to the view. It's nice. Oh, great. There's our bath. Somewhat original here. 1, 2, I bet the hardwood's under this. Wow, this is a great room. So closet here. Oh wow, not used to wood in the bathroom. That's cool. So these windows are original. Neat. All right. So that's a pretty neat place. Thank you.
Of course.
All right. So I'd be happy to tell you more about this area. I'm a member of the PBC Beach Club. It's amazing. And the views that you get from here are just gorgeous. Some of the best. The way that the silt and the runoff. And there's a lot more to talk about. But if you're interested, give me a call. I'm happy to share. Thanks and make it a great day.